Good morning students. Welcome to Alchemy online classes. Today we are going to study articles. Yesterday we have seen when to use a and the. Clear? A and the we have seen when to use, and today we are going to see omission of articles. Okay? Now before going directly to the omission of articles, let us have a quick recap. So articles are basically divided into two. First is indefinite and definite. A and is used as indefinite articles, and definite includes the. Clear? Now we will see when to use a. So we are going to use a with a countable noun, singular number and consonant sound. Clear? Next is before the syllable with the sound of U, and we are going to use before the letter O, because O is pronounced as V. Clear? Now when to use and? We use and before countable nouns, singular numbers, as well as that should have a vowel sound. Clear? Before a word beginning with a silent H. Next, before abbreviation beginning with a consonant having a vowel sound. That should have a consonant letter, but it should begin with a vowel sound. There we are going to put and. Now let us see when to use the. Before any noun when we want to particularize something. Clear? Second, with the superlative degrees. Third, with the words like first, last, next. Clear? With fourth, with a common noun when that noun represents the whole class. Clear? The group of domestic animals. I am not pointing out that which type of domestic animal. Clear? So next one, with such nouns as earth, moon, sun, etc. So here also we are going to use the. Next one, with the name of river, sea and ocean, as well as mountain ranges. We are going to use the in front of holy books. Okay. We are going to use the in front of newspapers, as well as we are going to use in front of trains, ships, aeroplanes, etc. Clear? So this was all about yesterday what we have learned, as well as we are going to use the with the name of the country including common noun, with the name of newspaper with the well-known buildings. Okay. So till here we have seen yesterday. Today we are going to see omission of articles. No article is used with a proper nouns. That means example like Raju is a good boy. So here in before Raju we are not going to point or write any type of article. And the. You are not supposed to use any type of article over there. Second point, no article is used with the abstract noun, the feeling of a person. Clear? I am very sad today. So here I have not used any article over there. I am very sad today. So I have not used any kind of articles. No article is used with such nouns as gold, silver, water, etc. with which name as materials. Clear? That means in front of material noun also we are not going to add any type of article. Clear? So three things you have to remember. No article with a proper noun, then no article with abstract noun, no article with material noun. Clear? So this was all about the omission of articles. Now let us see an exercise. In this way you are going to have an exercise in your textbook. Let us see this one. Filling the blanks with a, an or the, put cross where no article is needed. Where there is no article, where example like we have seen that where we are not supposed to use the articles. In that place if blank is given, you are going to simply put a cross. Clear? I bought an umbrella yesterday. Umbrella, you. Clear? So we are going to add here an. She gave me an egg and an orange. Clear? So here you can you have to read the word twice. So you have to identify which type of sound is coming out. Clear? Everybody has liked the television set. The television set. Clear? We are looking for a new house. Next one, all of us admire dash beauty. Here, admiring the beauty is an abstract noun. We are not going to use any article, so we are going to place cross here. Clear? Next one, a European artist and an Indian engineer. Now you identify and say that why we have used a here. It is starting with E, but we are not pronouncing it with E. We are pronouncing with European. Clear? So we are writing here a and Indian I. That means it is vowel. So we will write an, and when we are pronouncing also it is coming out vowel sound. Indian. Clear? I is coming out. So we will add here an. So this was all about articles. I hope the concept is clear to you. Now for extra content, please visit Extramark app and Diksha app where you can get the whole topic. Thank you for the day. Take care.